But my question is, I'm giving you one statement as everyone was supporting the topic. So I am giving one statement. Just you have to cross my statement with your examples.
क्रॉस मीन्स उसको काटना है, गलत ठहराना। सर इज गोइंग टू गिव यू वन स्टेटमेंट, उस स्टेटमेंट को गलत ठहराना है।
Before that, I am telling one thing. We know in our constitution there is a provision of amendments according to Article 368. So whenever we need some changes, we can amend our constitution, and we can include that somebody mentioned that cyber crime was not there. So we could easily amend the bill, and we can easily amend the law and add that in previous existing bills in IPC, CRPC, and IEA. The question is, if the things can be added by amendment, why is there a need to bring a new law by replacing old law? One question. The second question is, the government has missed a very nice thing to really launch a new bill, a new law, and I feel this is just a publicity stunt to show patriotism and gain votes of India. What do you think? I feel the current government missed a trick, missed a trick to really launch a law, and it was only a publicity stunt to show patriotism and gain votes of Indians.
Well, according to me, in your second question, I would like to give my opinion that definitely it is a publicity stunt, okay, because the elections are near and every government do this for gaining support. And I am saying this because in the criminal law reform committee, which was constituted in 2020, there was not a single person who participated from magistrate, law background or any. So there was a lack of cooperation and transparency in the committee itself. Okay, so that is the problem in that. Further, the clauses are not like the offences which comes under the social welfare offence are not demarcated, and the Sedition Act, it is also not very clearly demarcated in this. So definitely it needs a lot of work and a lot of members from the law background and magistrate background. So to enhance its applicability. Okay. So definitely it is a publicity stunt, but it will definitely have a good impact on the society.
More than 400 cases where British Crown is mentioned in the old law. So which shows the slavery even after the 75 years of independence. So this is the reason that I think there should be made a change. And as my last speaker said that the sedition law is not being mentioned in the first old law. In the new law, law which is mentioned in section 150 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sahita, where it is mentioned endangering of the sovereignty, unity and integrity of the law. So this is mentioned in that name. And to answer your second question, publicity stunt, I don't think it is a publicity stunt because a change requires the time. It takes time to accept the changes. The public will take time to understand, and in the future we will be able to, because just now it is fast and we can conclude it so fast that it is a publicity stunt. So we will see what will take place. So this is my opinion. Thank you, sir.
I would like to answer the question of second, that I don't think that it is a publicity stunt of our government, because only the government can change the rules and regulations of our country. So once we needed to change it. So why this will not change now? It can be changed now. So I think it is not a publicity aspect. And if it is a publicity stunt, then if we are getting some profits from it, so we don't have, I think we don't have any problem for this.
It would have to be done by the people while they are going to pass that bill in the parliament. Why it is right now that the present is all bill in the parliament, the Lok Sabha. They can go for publicity in there also. It doesn't stand over here also. What is the reason?
Because you just give an answer, not try to argue. The argument is not there.
This amendment is going to challenge the government is a publicity.
Amendment should be there.
Okay.
Right.
And
Questions, he needs to say that questions can be raised anytime. Even if amendments are not made, people are not happy and they are complaining.
Yeah.
If amendments are made, some people are there who will be not happy and they will raise questions. He needs to tell us. Right? now we have to.
I am telling you. The first question is, if the new changes can be added by simply amending the bill. Amendment means अगर सुधार दिया जा सकता है तो पूरा उसको बदलना जरूरी क्यों था? Why to replace the old law? Now I will add one thing here. To elaborate तो थोड़ा सा आपको पता चले कि मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ. इसलिए हम ब्रिटिश रूल्स को बदल दे क्योंकि ब्रिटिशर्स ने बनाया है, या इसलिए बदले कि हमारे लोगों को जस्टिस नहीं मिला.
समझ में आ रहा है? The student Abhinav.
Like if we have to go Bodhgaya, we have to go Ranchi, we have to go Patna, definitely we will go by train. अंग्रेजों ने बनाया था, बदल दीजिए. We are learning speaking English. अंग्रेजों ने कहा देने बदल दीजिए. So सिर्फ अंग्रेजों ने बनाया इसलिए बदल दे. Why? That's why I am asking. अगर वो चीजें सिर्फ अमेंडमेंट्स करके हो जाती, जो चीजों की कमियां थी, जो कमी थी उन आईपीसी, सीआरपीसी और आईपीए में, तो उसके लिए एक नया पब्लिसिटी स्टंट करने का क्या जरूरत है? दसवें टाइम हम देश से बहुत प्रेम करते हैं और सारी चीजें हमारी होनी चाहिए. हम देश प्रेमी हैं. जो अंग्रेजों के लिए सपोर्ट कर रही थी पिछली गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं हटाई? वो देश प्रेमी नहीं थी. हम बहुत बड़े देश प्रेमी हैं.
If we are not getting, if we are getting that we are getting very late, we are getting after 10 years, we are getting after 7 years, that's why. It is not publicity stunt because we love our country very much, that's all.
And I was not able to understand this. So basically, for understanding this, we must understand the background of BJP. Okay, in its party manifesto, it is clearly mentioned that Hindu Rashtra Khada Karna and all these things. Okay, like changing the things. British, you are saying that changing the British. In their manifesto, it is given. And since the beginning, like in the era of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he was doing the same thing. Okay, and then now, since the BJP has got more than 300% seats, and history is proven that the strong kings always show their power. So it is a exhibition of their power. They are making central stuff, okay, and Statue of Unity for making history things. Okay, like after 300 years, if you study the history of India, there will be the name of the BJP party who made the central Statue of Unity, who brought these changes the British things. So this is an exhibition of their power. Okay, and since very old times, the manifesto of the party is only like that, and these things are mentioned.
Tell you first, as sir has told in first question that why we need to change our law, then I want to tell one thing that in our constitution we have amended many times. We have changed our law. We have changed some things in our constitution many times, but still we are not getting a good constitution. So this time we need to change it.
जो हमारे लॉज चल रहे हैं उनको हम चेंज करें, क्योंकि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अमेंडमेंट्स इतना आसान नहीं. आई जस्ट वांट दैट कंक्रीट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम यू कि आप मेरे को बताओ कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अमेंडमेंट्स होने की सर्टन वजह क्या होनी चाहिए. दोज हु आर द नियर बाय द आंसर, आई जस्ट conclude my words that
Concrete reason, valid reasons he is asking for. The valid reason for having the amendments in the constitution or in the acts. क्या valid reason होना चाहिए? Valid मतलब कि एक ऐसा रीजन जिसे आप झुठला ना सको, जिसे आप नहीं कह सको नहीं ये रीजन बहुत जरूरी नहीं है. एक ऐसा रीजन बताओ कि क्यों बदलाव होना चाहिए.
First, that earlier the laws of India was formed by the British. It was formed by the British, and the British made the laws for it only. They want to oppress to the Bhartiyas.
आपने इस बात में बोला था, अभी और क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो कि और क्या वैलिड रीजन हो सकता है? एक तो ये रीजन है, ठीक है, कि अंग्रेजों ने बनाए थे इसीलिए हमें ये चेंज करना चाहिए. इसके अलावा और क्या रीजन हो सकता है?
Sir, they made for them only.
For their benefit only.
For their benefit only.
That you spoke, ये तो आपने बात किया. और कोई वैलिड रीजन है? और
We are not getting justice, and if we show the mobile that this is a recording, that is a recording, so it will be not accepted. So we should change.
okay, so
My prospective times are here and right now. If you compare both of the times, earlier judges were like that. And they are doing their work honestly. But now number of population are increased in India. And if judges will not do their work honestly, I don't think so people will get justice. So if they do work with honestly,
You are diverting from question. Question is give a valid reason to make amendments in the acts. Right? Valid reason.
if I talk about what should be that one of the biggest point over here. First, there are many amendments were over there earlier, but because of that, people were not getting their justice as a proper way. But when it will be changed, when this act will be applied in India, definitely those are feeling unsafety in their life, they will get the safety, and people will do their work honestly. There will be not fairness among the people.
I think the most important thing is the decision that is being pending from the long time, but now the decision is going to be made faster with these amendments. So that is the most important change that will make the amendment fast. And the another thing that I want to add is the gender neutrality. Previously, there are some laws like outraging the modesty of a woman is a case where men is only get the punishment, but now you can file case against women also for outraging the modesty. So these are the things that is changing, and that is a positive change that I think should be made. So this is my
As we know that it will be a big challenge for our law system and about our country, but still we need to change it, because if we change it, then our law system and our system will be more active about this, because our system needs to submit all the documents, all the information in just in 15 days, and they have to give justice in a month. So it will be inspire us to know everything, to do work with activity.
As you know that the British made rule for his own. He wants to rule over India. So they only punish the people, but they didn't give justice to the people. But now, if a new constitution will launch, then the people get justice also meant, and punishment also. And this is best for women and child labor, because earlier the women laws is I think in 302 number, but now it will first and second is human crime on human beings.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 2019 में ही ये बात रखी थी कि वो जो ब्रिटिश के द्वारा लाया गया है, जो हम लोग अभी तक चलाते आ रहे हैं, तो उनको हम लोग चेंज करेंगे। उसके बाद उन्होंने इस पर 2020 में बात की, फिर 22 में, और तब जाके 11 अगस्त को 2023 में उन्होंने ये सारी चीज़ें बताई, जिसमें उन्होंने हर एक चीज़ पे फोकस किया। जो आईपीसी है उसमें 9 सेक्शंस को हटाया गया, कुछ सेक्शन को 9 सेक्शंस को जोड़ा गया, सीआरपीसी में भी 8 सेक्शंस को नया जोड़ा गया, और आईए में 1 सेक्शंस को जोड़ा गया, जिससे कि पहले का जो था ब्रिटिश का था कि सिर्फ पनिशमेंट पे फोकस करते थे।
With evolving time, the crimes are also evolving. In the earlier law system, there are certain things which are not clearly mentioned, like the cyber crimes that are happening. Okay, the cases of cyber crimes are really increasing in a very fast pace. And in the name of freedom of speech, people are started giving hate speeches. Okay, separatist trend is seen in this country. And the law also defines the terrorism. Okay, so there are many loopholes in the existing society, existing law system, which they try to correct themselves. Okay, these recommendations were given by Madhav Menon Committee of 2007 and Durlimat Committee of 2003 after a thorough study. Okay, and earlier in 1970s there was a Hora Committee too, who also did a thorough committee, and in their survey they found that the people are really very scared of the judiciary system. They don't want to go to the courts, okay, because of the lethargy and the dependency, okay, the bribery system. But now as the things are going digitalized, the transparency is increasing.
As you know that the British made rule for his own.
rule. He wants to rule over India. So they only punish the people, but they didn't give justice to the people. But now, if a new constitution will launch, then the people get justice also meant and punishment also. And this is best for women and child labor, because earlier the women laws is I think in 302 number, but now it will first and second is human crime on human beings. Thank you.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 2019 में ही ये बात रखी थी कि वो जो ब्रिटिश के द्वारा लाया गया है, जो हम लोग अभी तक चलाते आ रहे हैं, तो उनको हम लोग चेंज करेंगे। उसके बाद उन्होंने इस पे 2020 में बात की, फिर 22 में, और तब जाके 11 अगस्त को 2023 में उन्होंने ये सारी चीज़ें बताई, जिसमें उन्होंने हर एक चीज़ पे फोकस किया। जो आईपीसी है उसमें 9 सेक्शंस को हटाया गया, कुछ सेक्शन को 9 सेक्शंस को जोड़ा गया। सीआरपीसी में भी 8 सेक्शंस को नया जोड़ा गया, और आईए में 1 सेक्शंस को जोड़ा गया, जिससे कि पहले का जो था ब्रिटिश का था कि सिर्फ पनिशमेंट पे फोकस करते थे।
With evolving time, the crimes are also evolving. In the earlier law system, there are certain things which are not clearly mentioned, like the cyber crimes that are happening. Okay, the cases of cyber crimes are really increasing in a very fast pace. And in the name of freedom of speech, people are started giving hate speeches. Okay, separatist trend is seen in this country. And the law also, this law also defines the terrorism. Okay, so there are many loopholes in the existing society, existing law system, which they try to correct themselves. Okay, these recommendations were given by Madhav Menon Committee of 2007 and Murli Bhatt Committee of 2003 after a thorough study. Okay, and earlier in 1970s there was a Bora Committee too, who also did a thorough committee, and in their survey they found that the people are really very scared of the judiciary system. They don't want to go to the courts, okay, because of the lethargy and the dependency, okay, the bribery system. But now as the things are going digitalized, the transparency is increasing.